of Python challenges. Here's your challenge for today. Make a loop print, how's it going 20 times? All right, so you're going to use a for loop for that one. And the other one is do the same thing, but use a while loop. All right, good luck, have a go. If not, let's do it. All right, so let's have a look. So first we'll do the for loop. So we're going to use for object in range, and we do 20 colon, and then print. Now you might have come across a little roadblock around here because you have to do how's with the apostrophe it going. Now if you notice, it's gone black here when it should be green. So what you have to do, it's this one here, because they use that in the Python language to make a string on the outside. So what we have to do is escape it. So just below the delete key is a slash, and just press that, and there we go. Awesome. And we're going to, another good thing to do would be to check you know, how many, you know. So what I'm going to do at the start of this actually is I'm going to go str object, oops, obj, and plus. All right, and I might put a space here. There we go, and let's run that. So F5 is a good key if you've got it set up. For loop. Where are we? Day 13. All right, running. And as you can see, it counted from 0 to 19, which is correct if we put a +1 on it. Let's do that as well. So I'm going to +1 to that. That's your index. It's like an index, so you could even call it index, which is probably a better name for it. There we go. 1 to 20. Awesome. All right, how do you do it as a while loop? Now I'm going to comment this out so we don't get confused. All right, that's Shift and 3. That gives you the hash. All right, now with the while loop, I'm going to use a count. You could probably do this another way. I'm going to start at 1, and while this statement is true, whoops, small w, while true, I'm going to loop. So it's going to print how's it going. So I'm just going to grab this actually. We'll have to change a couple of things in it, like put the count in here. Now we don't have to do the +1 because it's already there. It's already at 1. And then if the count is less than 21, I want it to do this, okay? But if not, it's going to break. I'm just going to break it, okay? You can do another statement in here, and if it says false within this while loop, it'll stop automatically as well. So that's another way. Now, the one more thing we have to do is increment or add an extra 1 to this count. So I'm going to do plus equals 1. I'll do this before I think my wife's going to try and attack my room with a vacuum cleaner. All right, now we've got an error here. We've got 21 of them. Luckily, we did a test to check that we're doing how many. So with that, let's make it less than 20. All right, let's try that. Run. And it, like you, because I guess, so if you want to look through that and how it works, so it's gone through, it's going to print this, and then like it doesn't make sense to me, like it should be less than 21. So what we're going to do, rather than putting this print statement up here, put it below this conditional, so that we know that if the count is, oh, I see. Okay, I think I've done this before where I did less than, but so if the count is greater than 20, it'll stop. Okay, so you could do it that way, or you could do less than. Let's try less than. Less than 21, it'll stop. Okay, let's run that one. Okay, I might have confused myself there. Oh, nothing happened. Okay, let's check out what's going on there. So it's gone through, it's less than 21, so yeah, it's going to break. All right, so let's go. If it's greater than 20, let's break it. All right, let's run that. Awesome, so that worked well, except we didn't get the first printout. All right, so we have to fix that. So I'll put that in the wrong space. So this only way to get good at things is just playing around with it. You know, I make mistakes. We're all human, so if you're ready to judge me, don't worry. You'll have your day in the coding sun where something wrong will go wrong with your code. Don't worry. It happens to everybody, and just be patient and be open-minded. Please don't judge. All right, and that worked. That worked perfectly. So it's gone through, it prints it, adds 1 to the count, so then it'll be 2. And we're also getting the first count as well. It's printing the first one. It'll go through 2, it checks, should we break it or not? No, print again, and it'll keep on going. Now, if it's greater than 20, it'll go, no, you can't go any further. And we're done there. So I hope you had fun. See you later.